Today, I'll show you how to change candlestick color on TradingView. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. In TradingView, candlestick colors are controlled from the chart's symbol settings. TradingView's candlestick guide says you can change the body, borders, and wick colors separately, and there's also an option called color bars based on previous close that can affect how the candles are colored. To get started, open your chart in TradingView and click the Chart Settings icon. Then go to the Symbol tab. This is the section where TradingView lets you control how the candles look on the chart, including the colors for bullish and bearish candles. Now look for the candlestick color options. Here you can change the body color for up candles and down candles, the border color, and the wick color. So if you want green and red candles, blue and orange candles, or any custom color combination, this is where you do it. TradingView's Candlestick helps specifically lists body, borders, and wick as separate candle appearance settings. If your candle colors still don't look right after changing them, check one more thing. TradingView says the color bars, based on previous close option, can make bars or candles use colors based on the prior candle's close instead of the candle's own open and close. So if the colors seem unusual, turn that option off and see if the chart looks more normal. There's also another possible reason your candles may not match the colors you selected. TradingView says some indicators can paint the bars on the chart. If that happens, the indicator's coloring can override the normal chart candle colors. So if your color changes don't seem to work, try hiding your indicators and check whether one of them is controlling the candle colors instead. After you finish, close the settings window and your new candlestick colors should appear on the chart right away. If needed, you can go back into the same symbol tab anytime and adjust the colors again until the chart looks the way you want. And that's how to change candlestick color on TradingView. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.